It is really cool how the industry is starting to go to this off-road capable style. I think a lot of people have just realized those big fifth wheels, all that sort of stuff, bigger isn't always better. And these are super capable. We've found that with our little off-road trailer, and this lot is full of them. Now, this NoBo 10.7 comes equipped with off-road, all-terrain Westlake tires. Now, the reason they go with all-terrain tires is not because they help you get more traction, even though, I guess, stopping, braking, they could. It's that these are going to be better on rocks and that sort of stuff. You aren't going to get, the sidewalls are going to be a little bit thicker, all those sort of things. So a little bit more protection that way. Also, it gets you up a little bit higher. Speaking of the tires, we might as well cover the suspension while we're right here. One of the things they've done to make this off-road is not just throw bigger tires on it, which that's what some brands do. They actually have Kurt independent off-road suspension. It's kind of like a Timberin looking suspension. Really cool. It will make it so that this trailer is way more capable off-road. It's not going to get shaken as much. It's going to be more stable, all those sort of things. Right above me, they do have their awning. It's not like a typical RV awning. It's called the Rhino Rack Batwing. And it's one of those big, like 180 fold out awnings that you see on a lot of, I think they're called caravans in Australia. It's that Australian style of awning, and they hold up really well to the wind and all those sort of things, and they pack up really nice. Now, we don't have permission to fold it out here at Parris Rv, so I'm not going to do it. Plus, I've never really operated one, so I don't want to mess it up. But you know what the hell? Let's see how it goes.
It's a bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see if it pays off for him.
We will just cut that section out and put it at the end. Let's look up top. One of the things that people like about these off-road capable trailers is all the things you can go and do with them, mountain biking, all that sort of stuff. And the NoBo up top has some stuff to help with that. Now, Kara's too short, so I'll have to do this part. Not only do you have your bike rack built in up here, you have the NoBo Nest. It's coming with a rooftop tent. That way you can put the kiddos up here in the cold and you can stay down inside. If you're getting an off-road trailer, you're towing it hopefully with an off-road capable vehicle. That's the point. So let's look at the weights and see what this thing actually weighs, because hopefully you don't need a 1-ton truck to tow this. So the hitch weight, 225 pounds. That is pretty low. The UVW is 2,255. It's a light bugger. Combined carrying capacity, 1,451. Exterior length is 15 feet. Exterior height is 8'6", which is really nice if you get in those low tree areas. Exterior width, 7'4". Freshwater is 30 gallons. And your awning size is 270 degrees. That thing folds all the way around. Now folding it up, not so easy. Coming around the front, it does have stabilizers on all 4 corners. These are not electric stabilizers or anything. Just put your lug wrench on there, or if you pack an impact like we do, just put your impact nice and stable in any sort of situation. This trailer's so light that this thing can you aren't gonna have to worry about blocks and all that sort of stuff too much. These can handle moving this how it needs to go. Up front, it does have the standard 5-gallon or 20-pound propane bottle. It's nice that because you can trade them in at any Walmart or wherever you're at, easy to find somewhere. It does have an electric jack up front, so not so much cranking, but that could be a problem if you don't have power. Right down here is where your batteries would be. They've removed them so nobody steals them. You have your power control on-off switch right here, nice and handy. Your fresh water tank right here. City water right there. You do have pre-wired for solar. One nice thing is these wheel wells, you can stand on them. Not every brand does this. They all should, but not every brand does. That way, you can get up here to your rooftop tent and your solar panels and all that if you have them on. This one does not have solar panels on it yet, but there is room up here that you could put some solar panels. Now, a lot of people are probably like, what the heck is this big thing on the side here? Is this an air conditioner, Kara? I think this little trailer has this air conditioner in it. A side on the side here, which is super nice, because when you're out in the middle of nowhere and it's hot, I mean, as tough as we all want to be, air conditioning can be nice. So it does have an air conditioner right on the side. Coming around the backside, we're on this hill. So I'm gonna have Kara show you this rear kitchen because it's a little too low for me.
We're kind of on a hillside right here, and Jesse hits his head. So I'm going to show you the little kitchenette here on the back side. First off, really nice prep area right there. Nice counter space, do what you need. Sink here. And below is our little cooktop. Tucks away really nice.
That's your knuckles right there.
Catch your knuckles for sure. And it gives you 2 little burners. And a little wind blocking right there as well. That's super nice. Behind me here, a good sized refrigerator. Little wine rack. Don't know how well those will travel on the dirt. And more storage up top. Dishes, dry goods, things like that. That's a nice little storage area for you. Nice thing, this door is so big that you've got some shade, you've got coverage from rain. Nice little addition right there for you. Welcome to the inside. Let's show you around. I will apologize for all the accessories sitting around here. But to start off, Jesse's favorite, entertainment center. Not only that, but you have this really nice fireplace, ambiance, a little bit of light if you needed it. You've got some really nice net storage. This goes actually clear to the front of the trailer, so some really deep storage there. Sleeping arrangements here. These fold-up mattresses just flop right on out, giving you full length of sleeping. These do look like they fold up to probably be like a couch for you. You have these nice little, I don't know, nightstands for you if you're eating, maybe at night. And when you're ready to go to bed, you just plop these down and they're out of your way. Do want to mention that AC that's not on the roof because you have all of those toy racks up there. So you have a side mounted AC in your unit. So I am sitting flat in here, but if I was kneeling and if I was standing, I do have to duck just a touch. This is a nice little unit if you are wanting to just have a weekend getaway with all your toys. It's great space, and at $23,000, pretty good price as well. Thank you guys for catching us today, taking a look at this little unit. We'll have everything listed below and Parris's website for more information if you're interested. Thank you guys and enjoy your weekend.
Oh, close. You get the point.
Any regrets?
That's my credo. No regrets.
Mm-hmm. You have no regrets?
Dad?
No? Like not even a single letter?
Well, in life or just right now? All right, that thing didn't go in as easy as I thought it was going to.